Well, good day, and welcome to the introductory tour of the Association for Maintenance Professionals Reliability Tours. My name is Terrence O'Hanlon. I'm the CEO and publisher of Uptime Magazine and ReliabilityWeb.com, and I'm one of the directors of the Association for Maintenance Professionals, and it's my pleasure to take you through the descriptions for these very special events. We've got 3 tours planned so far, and we've got locations secured for the first 2. We want to make sure you're aware of them and you can be included because there's some very special reliability programs going on. Cincinnati Metropolitan Sewer District in Cincinnati, Ohio. They were this year's winners of the Uptime Awards in 2013 for the best emerging maintenance reliability program. It's a special group of people and a very special facility. And then the National Ignition Facility, which we're going to talk about a little bit further up in Livermore, California, where they're doing laser fusion. Very exciting. And in addition, each one of these plant tours has a certified reliability leader exam attached to it. Our third tour is going to be in the beginning of October in Nashville. We're still negotiating a very interesting location, and we're excited to announce it when we finally finalize that. Just so you have an idea as to what the 2 days look like on these reliability tours. Day 1 is the Certified Reliability Leader Preparation course. So basically that's covering the uptime elements, the Certified Reliability Leader body of knowledge, and the preparation course begins at 8 a.m. and ends at 2 p.m. and of course with all the requisite refreshment breaks and lunch break. It's very lively discussion and worthwhile. People who lead reliability programs or just lead organizations where reliability is an important factor. You do not have to have a technical understanding of some of the elements of reliability, but it's also useful for people who work at the equipment level directly on the plant floor. It provides an awareness of a holistic system of reliability that people can use so that everybody's in alignment and sort of pulling the ropes in the same direction. So as I say, on day 1, the CRL preparation course goes from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then at 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. there is a CRL exam or Certified Reliability Leader exam that will be offered. Or for those who aren't quite ready to take the CRL exam, we're going to adjourn to a second room and we'll have a Reliability Leader Town Hall, a lively 2-hour, very interactive discussion on the topics that we've talked about in the Certified Reliability Leader Preparation course. At 6 p.m. there is a welcome reception with food and drinks and peer-to-peer conversations that will be happening at a location that will be announced if you register. And then the following day, day 2, we go to the facility that we're actually touring. We usually get a generic overview of the history of the facility that we're going to be touring, and some things specific to the reliability programs that they're doing. And then we go on the actual facilities tour and see a lot of behind-the-scenes aspects to both the functions of the facility as well as some of the techniques they're using in maintenance, reliability, and asset management. Lunch is served, and then at 1 p.m. we do a panel discussion and a wrap-up of our day. Generally lasts about an hour. So you can figure you can get on the road at 2 to 2:30 in the afternoon if you need to make plans to go out. But that, in essence, is how the 2-day agenda shapes up at the reliability tours. As I mentioned, the CRL preparation course is based on the Association for Maintenance Professionals CRL body of knowledge, which is based on the uptime elements. It is a series of 29 elements, and we really talk about what these elements are and why you need them for a holistic approach to reliability. There are 4 external books that are available as well. The 3 to the right all deal with the journey and the cultural aspects and the leadership aspects of making a journey to improve reliability. The one on the left, Clean, Green, and Reliable, has to do with sustainability, energy savings, and energy management related to reliability. And so we are really encourage people to pick up that body of knowledge. They're all very easy reads. They're about 20-page passports for each element. They're a very quick read, very easy to understand. but when you read them all from start to finish, you begin to get that holistic picture of reliability. So valuable. So you can pick those up at mro-zone.com. There is no requirement for you to pick them up, but they're very valuable to have even if you don't plan to sit for the CRL exam. They're very useful. You get a lot more out of the CRL preparation course, or if you're not even going to come to the CRL preparation course, they're just great for you to have. As I said, we've been very honored to host the first tour at the Cincinnati Metropolitan Sewer District, or MSD. It's May 14th through the 15th. As I said, this is Uptime Magazine's 2013 Emerging Maintenance Reliability Program of the Year. You can imagine they're a public utility, so of course, translated, that means resources are always extremely constrained. But rather than responding in a non-productive way, the team at Metropolitan Sewer District has responded in a very positive, proactive reliability way, and they're lowering their costs and increasing their service level for physical assets enormously by using reliability as the strategy. So we're going to be honored to meet some of the team that's involved in driving those improvements there, and it's a very special place. So we really hope that you'll come and join us in Cincinnati in mid-May for that particular tour. We're also very, very excited about the National Ignition Facility. This is part of the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratories. They have very crucial national security mission. This particular portion of Lawrence Livermore Laboratories, the National Ignition Facility, is, they call it the crown jewel of laser sciences. We know the people in the reliability team. They're really going to talk about a couple of things, but they have a deep experience in reliability engineering driving their maintenance tasks, and they also are going to stress to you that you don't need a huge budget always to get this work done. Their mission is firing a lot of high-powered lasers onto a very focused area to create fusion, and that's what the mission is there. But it's, again, a very special approach to maintenance and reliability in addition to being in a very interesting context. And last but not least, we couldn't do any of this without the support of the sponsors who bring you these events to support your journey towards reliability leadership. And we have to really call out, just take a moment to say thank you to Des-Case, to Ludeca, to Asset Analytics, hear more from SVT, the ultrasound company, Test Oil and Oil Analysis Laboratory, and our friends here in Florida, up in Tampa, PDMA, who make extraordinary online and offline motor testers. So they'll be there as well to support the event. You'll be able to talk to people from those organizations as you make your journey to reliability leadership. I hope that's been useful, and I want to just tell you there's 3 ways you can kind of take the next step. One is to just go to reliabilitytours.com and get a little bit more information. You can send us an email to crm@reliabilityweb.com. We'll get you registered, or call us at 239-333-2500. Or if you're in the U.S., you can call toll-free 888-575-1245. The 2-day event, the CRL tour, the CRL preparation course and the plant tours are only $99. If you do want to sit for the exam, you need to go to maintenance.org and register separately, and there's a separate fee for the exam. But for the plant tour, just $99. So there's limited amount of space. It's already filling up. So if you're interested in either one of those plant tours, we suggest that you give us a call, give us an email, or get online as soon as possible and register. We look forward to seeing you in Cincinnati or in Livermore up in the San Francisco area. Call us, come online, and we hope to see you there. Thank you very much for your time.